So we have question number 13.4, and the question says obtain approximately the ratio of the nuclear radii at the gold isotope Au197 and the silver isotope Ag107. Okay, so for this, first of all, you have to write how you have to solve this question in your exam so that you can get the full marks. Is you have to write it in steps. First of all, the given that Au is 197 isotope and Ag is 107 isotope. Once you have written this, then you have to write the formula here for calculating the R of that radii of the nucleus, right? So that is R is equal to R naught A 1 by 3. After that, you have to calculate the ratio. So writing the formula of the formula in the dividing it with the first relation with the second relation, we are going to get the ratio of this two, right? And after that, solving this, you are going to get the answer of this ratio approximately 1.22, and this is your required answer, right? So the one basic concept is the relation of the radius of this nuclei that you have to know, right? So that is R is equal to R naught A to the power 1 by 3. Okay, simple.